6 powerful anti-inflammatory foods you need to eat. Tired of feeling sluggish and achy? Inflammation could be the culprit. Let's dive into 6 delicious and powerful foods that can help you fight inflammation and boost your overall well-being. Get ready to feel amazing. Inflammation isn't always bad. It's your body's natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to serious health problems. Think of it like a fire alarm. A short burst is helpful, but a constant alarm is a problem. Diet plays a huge role in managing inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in your body. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Your body will thank you. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are bursting with antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by inflammation. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to inflammation. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast, smoothie, or enjoy them as a snack. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses. They're loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat inflammation. These greens contain compounds like vitamin K and sulforaphane, known for their anti-inflammatory effects. Incorporate them into salads, soups, or stir-fries for a healthy boost. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet and a fantastic source of healthy fats. It contains oleocanthal, a compound with similar anti-inflammatory effects to ibuprofen. Choose extra virgin olive oil for its higher antioxidant content. Use it for cooking, salad dressings, or drizzling over your favorite dishes. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and support overall health. Walnuts, in particular, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Enjoy a handful of nuts or seeds as a snack, or add them to your meals for added crunch and nutrition. Turmeric is a vibrant spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Its active compound, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin can help reduce pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis. Add turmeric to your curries, soups, or smoothies for a flavorful and healthy boost. Consider taking a curcumin supplement for a more concentrated dose. Ready to take control of your health and fight inflammation? Start incorporating these 6 powerful foods into your diet today. Don't wait any longer to feel your best. Subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and healthy recipes. Share this video with your friends and family who want to live a healthier, more vibrant life.